Hi guys, welcome to another video. For this week, I decided to make a what I eat in a week video with healthy and easy meal ideas. One big reason why I wanted to make this video was also to motivate myself because I always eat so much better when I'm filming my meals. I wanted to make this video kind of like dynamic and quick, so I'm not going to be showing myself cooking way too much because first of all, my meals are super easy. I don't use like recipes and stuff like that. Most of my meals take like 10 minutes or less, and you can immediately tell how to make them by just looking at the meal. But for some of them, for the ones that I use recipes, I'm gonna leave instructions or a link to the recipe in the description down below in case you guys want to make it too. And then I have just one more disclaimer. I'm actually doing intermittent fasting right now, which means I'm eating food for 8 hours and fasting for 16. So throughout the day, I will have 2 big meals for lunch and dinner and then snacks in between, trying to eat enough calories, of course. And with all that being said, let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so for breakfast on Monday, I had some leftover steak, scrambled eggs, and this green salad. And then I had some watermelon for my afternoon snack. After that, I had some cheesy popcorn, which is my go-to snack. And also some of these rice crackers from Trader Joe's, which are super addictive. I love them. For dinner, I make this cauliflower broccoli bake with cashew sauce and bacon and actual cheese on top. And then I'm having my leftover steak again. My first meal on Tuesday was a little bit weird. I had this toast with cream cheese and everything but the bagel salmon, and then leftovers from my cheesy cauliflower and broccoli bake. And then I decided to try this like healthy energy drink with raspberry and acai, and it was actually really good. And then I'm having popcorn again, and this brand is really delicious. And as you can see, I'm pretty much obsessed. I'm eating popcorn and watermelon every single day. And then my next snack is one of these salami whips that I saw at Stop & Shop. They were actually pretty good. And then when moving on to dinner, I'm grilling some chicken tenders on my grill. And I made this salad that looks not super healthy, but it's not as bad, I promise you guys. It has cheese, a little bit of ranch, romaine lettuce, and the chicken. And then I'm having a little sweet treat. I had 1 serving of this low-carb ice cream by Breyers, and I added some dark chocolate shavings. So my first meal on Wednesday was entirely made of leftovers. I had leftover chicken and more leftovers from my cauliflower broccoli bake. I also had another one of these healthy drinks. This one was apple and acai, and it was actually better. I loved it. Then I had a random craving for actual real ice cream in the afternoon, so I went to a local shop and I got this cookie dough flavor. It was really good. And then guess what I'm having for another afternoon snack? Of course, cheesy popcorn again. And then I finished the night strong with a homemade pizza. I use this cauliflower pizza crust to make it a little bit healthier, and instead of pepperoni, I'm just using this random salami that I had at home, but it came out pretty good. So on Thursday, I finally remembered to actually record my coffee. I had it literally every morning, and I always have it with a little bit of half and half, some almond milk, and this sugar-free salted caramel syrup. And then for my first actual meal, I had the weirdest craving, literally for the first time in my life. I wanted to make tuna salad. And then I decided to have 1 toast with tuna salad and 2 lettuce wraps to keep it relatively low carb. And then I had this Atkins peanut butter cup for a sweet treat. These are super good. And then some watermelon, because I guess I'm obsessed with it in the summer. Next up, another snack. I mixed these roasted chickpeas and the almonds together, and it came out really delicious. And then for half of my dinner, I'm finishing my pizza leftovers from last night. And I also made myself a peanut butter banana chocolate smoothie, which I couldn't finish because I was too full, but it was really good. On Friday, I had some iced coffee in the morning, made the exact same way that I make my hot coffee. And then for my first meal, I'm having this huge green salad with romaine, arugula, and red radishes, and I made some salmon in my air fryer. And then I added this magic ingredient to like tie the whole meal together, and it was super delicious. My first afternoon snack was, guess what? Watermelon. And then I had a craving for whipped coffee, so I decided to have that with my peanut butter cup. I ate all of my popcorn, and now I don't have anything exciting for afternoon snack. And then for dinner, I got some Greek salad from outside because I was too lazy to make my meal. And it was Friday, so why not? And then to finish the night, I had a little dessert. I had this keto ice cream, which is so good. I totally recommend it to you guys if you're looking for low-carb ice cream options. So that was it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps my channel. Make sure you subscribe if you like healthy lifestyle, wellness, self-care content. I post every week and I would love to have you on my channel. And I will see you next week with another video. Bye guys!